Okay, so I'm gonna take you through how I do a flat lay. And yeah, so come along, let's go. We're doing our Michelle Floral Fiesta dress. So here we go. You gotta get down on the floor for this. So we lie it down and we sort of want it to have some shape. So I pull in at the waist to show off the shape of the dress. And you want to make it flat. So we're only going to be shooting sort of like a top quarter of the dress. So we just need sort of an area to look good. So right now that looks all right. And now I'm going to go get accessories. Okay, back down we go. Get everything to look nice. You sort of look at it as a square to sort of see how it's gonna look. Maybe move them up a bit. And then we want the earrings. How did you think I did?